Welcome to a new video, guys, here at Fitment TV or Fitment Engineering. I'm your host, Kyle. So welcome back. It's been a while since I made a vlog. It was a hell of a week. We had Larry Chen week, we had Holy Week, I had Japan week. We have a lot to catch up with, but today we're not going to talk about that. We're going to talk about Primo Shine Lucena. This is our dealer here at Lucena City. And today, we're doing a live build, and we're actually doing a one-day build for a Toyota 86. This 86 is their first client. First of all, congratulations, Carl. I will get Carl in the camera later, and we'll actually have him talk about his shop. Okay, I'll leave it to him. So the goal for the GT86 is to be done within the day, to show the people how fast we can make or build our air suspension build with our faint air struts. There's a full kit for the GT86, so Fitment Engineering right there. And I'm confident we can do the install. Carl's team is very knowledgeable. I think they can finish it today. And we already pre-made everything already. So, this lovely GTR on the side, nga pala, is our demo car for the Lucena City. This is actually one of our clients' car, Sir Ian. This is Sir Ian's car. Sorry, I touched your car. My fingerprints on it. So, this is an R35 GTR 2009 with Arex air strut and previously running AccuAir via Boss Angie's shop, Carporn Racing. We have it already on Fitment right here. And they've been using it to market Fitment here in Lucena. And finally, they snagged the client and closed the deal. And we're here to build and train their people. So, as you may have known, we're trying to open up Fitment Engineering to other investors, businesses, because as a Filipino brand, we're more of a manufacturer than a shop. As much as I love building cars, I want Filipino people, my fellow countrymen, to invest on a Filipino product, install a Filipino product, and by the end of the day, I'll give them the best support that we can give them, right? And while the Filipino countryman is doing the install, I'll be flying out to install it to other countries, share the work of the Filipinos, para naman meron tayong pwede ipakita. World-class quality. Join us as we dive into that car. Okay? Into the time lapse, let's go. Boys are at it. Tapit na matapos. Okay, mangha-mangha si Boss Carl. Madali na pala daw gawin ang fitment ngayon. Yes, of course. I'm gonna be doing the under chassis later. Pero, tingnan natin. Gusto ko muna matapos lahat ng electrical wiring before we move on to the next. Kasi, you know, para maganda. Alright. Great progress. We started late, but we're almost done. Okay, Boss Carl, owner, Primo.
Hello guys.
Saan na gumagawa? So, makita nyo naman sa mga video. Kamusta? Madali?
Kaya naman.
Madali na ngayon?
Madali na ngayon.
So later, ako naman ang go-work under chassis.
Mas madali nung Gen 5 na. Lalo na naka-paint. Plug and play.
Dati Gen 4 kasi yung inutulos ko sa kanya, madami pang ikakabit. So after that, feedback, anayos namin lalo. So, done na. Diba? So we're just gonna finish up the wirings. Na-under na yung system. Let's fill up the tank, tapos under chassis tayo later. And then, we're gonna reserve some footage kasi I don't want this to be a lengthy video nang puro gumagawa lang tayo ng auto kasi may meet time mamaya. Mas masaya yun later. So, you already know how we do this, so let's show it to people later. We are outside. This is the back of the Primo Shine shop. Sa likod lang to. And by some miracle, nagawa ni Boss Carl gawing Event center. Naging event center yung backyard nila. The fuck happened?
Kahit kahapon lang nag-usap.
So,
PM na rin, no?
he actually set this up in just a day para sa debut ng, ng Primo Shine na tumatanggal sila Airsus. Madami ka naman naging bisita kanina. Madami siyang inquiries actually. We have some FL5, Subarus. A lot of guests were there kanina. And hopefully this will pull a lot of, clients, customers.
Makabuild na ng community.
So not only they do air suspension, they do PPF, tints, ceramic tints, and nagpe-paint sila ng auto. Yun talaga yung main line of business ni Carl. So sila yung may-ari ng 3V o car.
Auto body and paint.
Auto body and paint. Car care na sabihin ko. Alright, so shop floor niya, malinis na. We cleared it up lang and the event is technically done. Shoutout dito sa batang to, napakagaling. Siya nag-install nung air suspension do sa 86. Alright, so that's what I like eh. First kong takot lagi sa dealership is, can the team deliver? Kaya ba nung team nila gawin yung ginagawa namin? And this is the type of confidence na nakuha ko dito, na I'm very confident that this shop, kumbaga, kahit ako mag-isa, tulungan na lang ako, ang dami namin magagawang kotse. So, ganun kaganda yung feedback ko sa araw na to. So, congratulations, Primo Shine. Okay? Congratulations kay Carl. Dealer natin sa Lucena City, Quezon Province. Sobrang positive ng feedback dito ng air suspension kasi kailangan talaga sa province na to. No? Tapos, yung team niya, okay, kasado na. So, if you're interested for air suspension, please do inquire sa amin, Fitment Engineering. If you're in the Manila area, sa Lucena area ka, you can message Primo Shine or we can direct you to the team here so you don't have to travel to Manila. Okay? We will bring the air suspension here. We'll do the car here. Yung team niya, capable. I'm like blown away how fast they got to understand my product. And for me, nakaka-proud yun kasi imagine mo, produkto ko nakakabit na ibang tao. That's the best part about it. It means my product is working and nakaintindihan nila to the point na kaya nila ikabit mag-isa. So, to wrap up the video, thanks for watching. We are expanding Fitment. If you're interested to be a dealer of Fitment Engineering, may mga bakante pa kaming mga slots for provinces. But I want to focus on Luzon. There's still a vacancy for Cebu, Davao, and CDO, pero that's about it. Alam mo yun, masyado scattered na Pilipinas eh. I want to get more dealers here in the Philippines. Let's support a Filipino product. Ginagawa ko tong produktong to para sa mga Pilipino. Okay, I want them to be proud na ito ay Filipino-made product. Fitment Engineering is a Filipino-made product. It's made in the Philippines. We don't order Fitment Engineering sa ibang bansa. We made it. We made it for you guys. So, I really want to share it sa mga Filipinos. And hopefully, once we do mass production, we can strike down the prices so that air suspension could be so affordable for the Filipino people. Okay? Made by the Filipinos for the Filipinos. It's been Cal from Fitment Engineering, and you're watching Fitment TV. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.